Welcome back. Today we have apple spiced pancakes with pumpkin ice cream. Alright, welcome back. We're going to get right into it. Let's combine all of our dry ingredients right here. Now these apple spiced pancakes are perfect for the fall, winter, and holiday season. Now we're going to move on to the wet ingredients. So we see the eggs right here with the milk. Alright, you got some honey. Man, I'm telling you, these pancakes are perfect for that special someone, family member, whoever. Now you go ahead and grate your apple. I recommend using a sweet apple. It just adds to the flavor of that. Alright, we combine our wet and dry ingredients. We're going to whisk them together until you see no lumps. Now add your grated apple and mix it again with some pecans added. Just look at it, the batter looks good. I could just eat the batter without even cooking it. It looks so good. Alright, go ahead and get a measuring cup. You want to measure about a half a cup of pancake batter and put it into the pot. You want to cook both sides until they're brown on both sides. Now, apple topping. Alright, you see what I did right there is cut the sides off of a few apples and I cut those into little wedges. I'm preparing to cook them in a pot, right? Because it needs something to go on there. So we're gonna add the butter and we're gonna melt it, all right? And once this butter is melted, we're gonna add our apples, our brown sugar, and some apple pie spice. Now the full ingredient list is gonna be on my website, which is linked in the description below. Right, and you want to add some cornstarch because the cornstarch, it thickens up this recipe right here, kind of like a syrup. And also on top of that, if you don't want to use brown sugar, you want to use like something less sweet, go ahead and substitute the brown sugar for coconut sugar. Okay, all right, go ahead and mix it. You want to mix it and you want to keep cooking it until your apples are soft like that. All right, now we're gonna remove it from the heat. We're gonna stack our pancakes like you see here, and we're gonna start adding the apples to the top of the pancake. We're gonna have some pecans there, and then of course you gotta look at that drip from a different angle. That's some serious drip. All right, now if you take anything from this recipe, it's the ice cream, pumpkin spice ice cream. My first time making it, my first time trying it. And I'm telling you right now, I'm already stacking up on canned pumpkin puree because I'm going to make this throughout the year. This was so good. Now, before you pour that heavy cream in there, wait. You turn the oven on and you let it cool for about 5-10 minutes. You pour the cream in there, you put it in a bowl, you put it in the refrigerator. You put it in your refrigerator until it's cool, like all the way. You want to make sure it's cold before you put it in your ice cream maker. And you see you put it in the ice cream maker, it gets thick like that. Put in your ice cream pan that you have and you scoop it out and you put it on top of your apple spiced pancakes. Look at that. The combination of those two flavors are flawless. Now here's a little extra credit. Mini waffle maker right here. We're gonna make some I'll leave it as a surprise for you. Let's cook your bacon to the texture that you desire. I like mine crispy. Look at that. We're making some waffle tacos. Oh man. If you're on the go, this is the go-to right here. Oh man, look at that. And also made a little apple butter to go along with it. There you have it. Apple spiced pancakes with pumpkin pie ice cream. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.